Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat. So today I'm out here northwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just right off the 215 and I am in a gated community by KB Homes. This is actually the landing series at Montellado. So today we're going to be exploring this two-story home. Now this is the 2469 plan. It is a two-story that features an option with a 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. Now this is actually elevation E. The base price on here starts off at $440,390. So let's go take a look. As you can see, we have an option for a camera doorbell here, key push pad, and a rekey. So this is actually my favorite model out of them all. So as we come on back here, we have 12 by 24 tile. And look how open this is. Now the ceilings on this one is only 8 feet. One of the upgrades and options that you can do here is do a 9-foot ceilings, which is I would highly recommend because it's going to keep this property more open. You're going to get that better feel. Now we're going to start back over here on the beginning. I just wanted to get you guys the layout of everything. So back here we have the 2-car garage. Unfortunately, we won't have the access for the 2-car. I believe on this one you do get the tankless water heater with a option upgrade of the soft water. Here we have our linen closet, orange peel texture, 2 inches on the casing, 6-panel door. That's gonna be standard. Looks like these knobs also will be standard with the bull nose and the orange peel. So what I like about this here, this configuration, you have a couple options. Here is your office. However, the way you can configure this is actually have a door here to do a full bathroom as well. If you did the full bathroom, you have the tub, shower, or no, I think it's just a walk-in shower on this one, which this is great for guests. The value will be there if you do that configuration. Here is your closet. That's right. Show you the closet, how deep the closet is. Not bad for a closet, right? And what I like about this is that if you just frame this out for the door, you take off the door, you still can turn this into an office if you choose to. Here we have our alarm system and our Pkwy Wi-Fi thermostat. You got the dual pane windows here. Here's actually the birch cabinets. These are only 36s on the birch cabinet, which is I don't really care too much about these cabinets. However, you can upgrade to the 42 inches. However, if you upgrade to 42 inches, then you got to do the ceilings too as well. You have different packages of appliances. You can also do a cook countertop. On this one, they just did a slide-in range, okay, with the overhead built-in microwave. This is the countertops right here. I believe these are the granites that come standard. And also you have your rental sink and your faucet. I believe this is standard too as well. Some of these models are going to show you what's standard, so that way you have a general idea mixed with a couple things that are a upgrade. Again, side staple cabinets with the side glides. Now one of the options that you can do here is have a cabinet up here and right above here of the refrigerator. Let's take a look at the pantry area. Pantry area, pretty decent size for a pantry area. I'm gonna say overall this is more like of a starter home. Here we have an 8-foot slide. That would have been an upgrade too as well. Now I'm gonna take you guys outside. Let's see what we have outside. Okay. Pretty decent sized backyard. One thing that I want you to keep in mind, lot premiums are anywhere from $3,000 at this time all up to $31,000. However, things are negotiable in today's market, so keep that in mind. Definitely would possibly do a built covered patio, especially the sun exposure on this side of the house. So you can just see how hot it is. It's just baking hot. So we're gonna go inside because my camera literally turned off on the other video home tour because it's just so hot and overheating. All right, let's make our way over here to the living room area. Now these sensors right here, this is for the alarm sensor, so that way when you leave, if anybody comes in, right, it will pick up the sensor. And also you have the soundproof sensor too as well. That's an option. Now let's make our way upstairs. remember, you do have an option all the way up to a five bedroom. So let's see what we got here. Gimbal's a little bit crooked. Let's get it a little bit adjusted. Here we go. So here we have a loft, and our primary is actually on this side. But we're gonna start over here. On this one, you got the 4-can lighting. You can do a ceiling fan, pre-wire for the Cat 6 as well with the Smurf tube. You also have a thermostat right here. So you have air conditioning at, what do you call? Lost my train of thought. I forget, a damper. So you have 2 controls. You can go all the way up to 3 controls as well. I'm sorry. Just like talking and rambling. So this is a pretty decent size bedroom here. Like I said, we do have 2-tone paint. Now coming into the bathroom. This bathroom right here, upgraded on the double sink, which is, I think it's great, with the Petrofina. And you have the cast iron, and upgraded on the Moen faucet. Here we have our toilet and our tub shower combo and our chrome fixtures all the way to the top. Now you can do a sliding glass door here too if you want to. Coming back across the hallway, we have bedroom number 3. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. What was that, 5? Let's take a look here. Not bad, decent size for the bedroom here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the optional 5 downstairs. On this one, what I like about this one right here, you can actually turn this into a junior suite, which is, I think, this is a great add value on here for a junior suite. So this is how it works. This closet would be chopped up. This would be a bathroom, okay? Then the closet would go right over here. For an add value, I think it's there. However, this construction option, I think it's anywhere from $6,000 to $13,000. I don't remember, but that also depending on which community that you go to. Now let's go take a look at the laundry room, and also let's take a look at the primary. Okay, so now coming into the bathroom, these are the I believe these are the 18 by 18 porcelain tile in here. Actually, you know what? These are the 17 by 17. This is actually a pretty nice option in the future to keep the cost low. This is something I would probably do on the first floor. You do have your drain pan, your brine light, and also your attic access here. Here we have some additional closet space, which is really nice. Then let's make our way to the primary. Now with the primary here is so large, you definitely need additional can lighting because it's going to be very dark because this room is large. So that's something to keep in mind. We spec'd out a bunch of these homes. Clients were cutting costs and didn't want to do the electrical. So if you take a look, there's no can lighting on here, only the ceiling fan. So at night, this is not as dark. I mean, it's not as bright. Off to the right, we have our large closet. Decent size. Also, don't forget to contact Closets of Las Vegas. Mention my name, speak to Pat, so that way she could take care of you. Again, we have the 17 by 17 porcelain tile. One of the options that you can do on here is the shower. There's 3 different configurations that you guys can do. Let's take a look. We have the linen closet. Then the birch cabinets, higher cabinets. Again, you do have an option to put a door here, which I definitely would put a door here, and a higher toilet as well. Now guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys can see yourselves living here. I think this is like my best floor plan for this builder. I think on a resale, if you spec it out correctly, your money will go a long way. And also, if you have a large family, friends, I mean, this is a great starter home at this price point. So let me know what your thoughts are. HOAs are $52 a month, so I don't know if I mentioned that. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Let me know the things that you would actually change on this home. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.